Let me show you how you can create organization chart in the free software called draw.io. So if you open the website draw.io or diagrams.net and create a new blank document, you will see exactly same blank document as me. Now we need to open up the group on the left called Advanced. From here we will drag out organization, so drag and drop, and division, drag and drop. Now we can actually delete this line. This will be our organization, and then we can create several divisions. Let's copy and paste this block, Command C, Command V. So now we got two divisions, and we're going to link them together. Always link from the parent to children, so from organization to division. Hover your mouse until you see green color. Pull this from that green spot and stick to your division. Same for the second one. If you did this correctly, the line should follow. So try to move your elements. And if the line is following the element, like in my case, all good to go. Keep in mind, we can customize the style. So we can pick ready-to-use styles from the right side. Or we can create them ourselves by adjusting fill color and line color. If you change to text menu, you will see font options and font colors. Alright, we got our organization. I can close and open. We got two divisions that we will be able to close and open. So under each division, we need some individuals. So we'll put the people working for that division. In that case, I will just use a simple shape. So open general group. And the second one, rounded rectangle. That's perfect. I will make it very rounded by putting this yellow shape in. Alright, so I got this fully rounded rectangle now. Let's decide on style. So this is some John Doe working for this division, and we can now copy and paste this several times. So let's create 3 employees here, and again we need to link them in this division on the right. Let's name it division A, and this will be division B. So now again we need to link from parents to children shapes, so from the division to the employee. So pull out the line from the green hotspot and join it here. Deselect. And again, you can give it a test by moving some elements. If the lines follow, we stick it correctly. Let's try to close the division A. Yep, that's nice. Everything is closed with that, so we cannot see who's working in division A now. All right, it's a really great way of doing free diagrams directly in your web browser without installing any software. If you are done with your chart, you can always click File, and you can export this as PDF for sharing that or printing. So you end up with PDF like this one. Or you can actually share that with others. You can invite them to this project to see your chart and maybe help you assemble the chart itself. If it's really a large organization that different divisions, maybe you need some help from others, you can invite them to this project as well. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.